Adobe FrameMaker 12 lets you share the settings for publishing in the same way that you can share templates. This means that within a company, one individual can be responsible for creating and maintaining the template, and everyone else simply uses it. In this sample, I have a book document, the cover with a title, and an introduction with a title, text, a table, and a lot more content. Let's see what it looks like when converted by default. The title Microsoft HTML Help is seen at the very top center of the screen. A table of contents is generated, and the title appears exactly as it does inside the FrameMaker source. Here's the next page of the help. It has an introduction at the top, content, and a table, everything trying its best to look exactly like it does inside FrameMaker. You'll also notice that general information continues immediately after the table in the paragraph, and that the page reference is still seen inside the cross-reference. In the EPUB, the cover page is just the first page of the document, and the author is listed as unknown. And here you can see that the introduction again tries to represent the look of the FrameMaker source. And the EPUB continues on to show us the table, the general information, and the cross-reference with the page number. So let's work with FrameMaker a little more. The Publish dialog has a default setting. When I click Browse Settings, I'll be prompted for a new file. I'm going to choose one that's going to give it a new look and feel, including changes to the appearance of things like headings, the way that pages break, and even the way that it changes the appearance of the cross-reference. I'll load my parts catalog for the public, and then generate the output. Just by applying a style sheet that somebody else created, the public now gets an online parts catalog and custom formatting for the title. The text on the page is formatted based on the custom style sheet, and in the bottom corner you can even see that the cross-reference has dropped the page number. The EPUB is changed. It has a custom graphic on the cover, there's a title for the distributed parts catalog, and the author information is listed. Notice that next to it is the old EPUB cover, and you can really see the difference. This page has a lot of text as well, and near the bottom you can see that section 1.1 general information continues. Let's build one last set of output. This one's going to be for the parts catalog, but only for internal reviewers. This is the Microsoft HTML Help version of the Reviewer's Guide, but it's for internal use only. The Reviewer's copy splits every topic into its own page so that comments are focused. The general information is also on its own page for the reviewer. The Reviewer's Guide also has a custom graphic that makes it pretty obvious that this one's not to be distributed. The title mentions that it's not for distribution, and the author name is there so that the reviewers know exactly who to talk to in regards to any questions or comments. The text for the introduction makes up one screen, and in the EPUB the reviewer also gets general information on its own page. All I did to get this was apply a settings file that somebody else created, generate my output, and create a unique look and feel.